Oh boy. Well, this is going to be an epic unboxing, I guess. Roll the intro. Hey there cubers, it's Belgian Speed Cuber here, and in this video I have a really epic unboxing. So I'm going to unbox the 100 cubes I bought and try to make a mosaic out of them. So I'm really excited to do this one, and I hope you guys are too. Yeah, I already unboxed one, sorry. Well, that's a lot of cubes. Warning, if you open up 100 of these, your fingers are going to hurt. 15 minutes into unboxing and chill, and she gives you this look. Okay, let's get into it. Wish me luck, guys. This is my first mosaic I'm going to make, so yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is the result. I hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I want to do more of these, and hit the bell. Also, if you decide to buy some puzzles, you can do it at Cubes UK. I have a discount code there, Belgian SC5, which gives you a 5% off your order. Okay, this was it for the video. Belgian Speed Cuber out.